Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing attention immediately. Deliver a sharp 5-10 second hook that poses a problem or teases a payoff. Explain how this video will help and why it matters, so viewers commit to watching. Once done, present a one-sentence promise and a quick preview clip of core value to reduce drop-off. Make sure to use strong pacing, close-ups, and active verbs so the viewer feels momentum and understands what they will get if they stay. You now deliver the core content in bite-sized segments. Label each section so viewers can follow the logic. Explain how each step connects to the promised outcome and why it matters, using visuals or examples to make abstract points concrete. Once done with a segment, insert a quick microhook before the next one to prevent drop-off and invite one low-effort interaction. Ask a simple question or poll. Make sure to vary shot types and pacing to sustain attention throughout the middle. You finish by summarizing the 3 most important takeaways and give the viewer a simple next action that delivers immediate value. Explain why that action matters and how it builds on what they learned. Once complete, include a succinct call to action linked to benefit rather than just asking to subscribe. If retention dips, troubleshoot by reviewing analytics for where viewers drop and rework weak sections. Tighten length, swap visuals, or move the promise earlier so viewers stay for the payoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.